If screen recording is missing from the control center of your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now to fix this issue, just open the control center, then tap and hold on the empty space in your control center. After that, just tap on add a control. Now from here, just look for the option of screen recording. Then tap on it to add it to the control center. Now just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now if you want to record the screen with the microphone, just tap and hold on this icon and select microphone. And after you do that, you'll start screen recording and the microphone will be enabled while you're screen recording. Just like that. Now if you're using an older iPhone, you will not be able to add a control by just tapping and holding on the empty space in your control center. To add a new control in an older iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Control Center. Now over here you will have a list of the available controls you can add to your control center. Just tap on the small plus icon in front of the screen recording option. And after you do that, it will move it to the top and you will add it to the control center. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.